Is your C drive almost full and your PC getting slower every day? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clean your C drive safely and properly. By the end, your C drive will have more free space and better performance like this. Alright, grab your mouse. Let's begin. Step 1. Remove temporary files. Click on Start. Then Settings. In Settings, click System, then click Storage. You'll see a storage breakdown: Apps, Temporary Files, System and Reserved, Documents, Pictures, and more. This page tells you where disk space is being used. On the storage page, click Temporary Files. Windows will scan and show items you can remove. Temporary Files, Delivery Optimization Files, Thumbnails, Recycle Bin, Temporary Windows Installation Files. Important, do not select downloads unless you know you don't need those files. Click the checkboxes for Temporary Files, Thumbnails, and Recycle Bin, then click Remove Files. That starts the safe cleanup. Step 2. Disk Cleanup, click on Search. And then type Disk Cleanup, then click OK. When the Disk Cleanup window opens, check all of them and then click on OK, then delete files. Now open Disk Cleanup again. And this time click on Clean Up System Files. Then OK, the tool will rescan and add options like Windows Update Cleanup and previous Windows installations. Check System Error, Memory Dump Files, Temporary Windows Installation Files, and Windows Update Cleanup if available. If you see Windows.old listed, absolutely delete it here, but only via disk cleanup, not by manual deletion. Click OK to delete files. Step 3. Temp Cleanup with Run. Press Windows plus R. Type temp and press Enter. A folder opens. Press Ctrl plus A to select all. Right-click and delete. If Windows says some files can't be deleted, choose Skip. That's normal. Now press Windows plus R again and type %temp% and press Enter. This is a different folder. Select all files and then delete. Skip files that are locked. Finally, press Windows plus R, type prefetch, and press Enter. Select all files inside and delete them. Do not delete the prefetch folder itself, just the files inside. Windows will recreate what it needs. Step 4. Clear the software distribution. Open File Explorer and navigate to C:\Windows\software distribution\download. Now here, select everything inside Download and delete it. If you can't delete some files, reboot and try again. These are old update files and can take many gigabytes. Step 5. Empty Recycle Bin. Right-click the recycle bin on your desktop and click Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm. Deleted files won't free space until the bin is emptied. Step 6. Uninstall unused programs. Click Start, then Settings. Then here, click on Apps. Then here you will see Installed Apps. Click on it. Sort by size, large to small. To find the biggest apps, click any app you no longer use, then click Uninstall. Focus on old games, editors, or tool suites you forgot about. Uninstalling large programs usually gives the biggest space boost. Step 7. Clean browser caches, optional but helpful. Open browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Here in my case, I use Edge, so open it, then go to Settings. Find clear browsing data and delete cached images and files for all time or at least the last 3 months. This can free a few gigabytes if you never cleared cache. Step 8. Remove recent files. Press Windows plus R, then type recent and press Enter. Select all items and delete. These are shortcuts only, on your real files stay safe. Step 9. Disable hibernation. Optional. Only do this if you don't use hibernation. Open Start, then type Command. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now here type powercfg-h off, press Enter. This removes the hiberfill.sys file, which can be equal to your RAM size, often several gigabytes. Step 10. Turn on Storage Sense. Click on Start, then Settings. Click on System. Then here you will see Storage. Click it. Now here, click Storage Sense. Now you will see many options like Run Storage Sense, Delete Files from Recycle Bin, and Delete Files from Download. You can set these options as you want, or you can leave them like that. Here you will also see Run Storage Sense now. Then click on it to let Windows delete temporary. Hope this video helped and you saw a real drop in your C drive. Like the video and subscribe to Tech Resolve. See you in the next one.